Health experts are concerned over a new strain of coronavirus, which has now spiked panic across the world. The World Health Organization (WHO) has designated Omicron as a variant of concern, while some health experts are calling it as the most concerning since Delta variant, which a few months ago fueled a relentless wave of infection on every continent. Variant B1.1.529 is considered dangerous because of its increased transmissibility. WHO has said that new variant may pose greater risk than the Delta variant. In this video, let's know all about Omicron, why the new coronavirus strain is so scary. You will get all the information, just stay tuned. Let's first know from where did this Omicron originate. Omicron is believed to have originated in the southern part of Africa, and WHO officially declared this on November 24th. The new variant has caused a new surge of infections. The first known confirmed infection was from a sample collected on November 9th, said WHO. Let's now know what makes this Omicron dangerous. According to WHO, the first evidence indicates an increased risk of reinfection compared to other highly transmissible variants. This means that who have contacted COVID-19 and have recovered could be infected again. The preliminary studies conducted on a new variant suggested that it makes vaccines 40% less effective because of 32 mutations in the spike protein. What is known so far about the variant? The researchers found Omicron from a sample taken from Botswana in Africa. Surprisingly, it contains over 30 changes or mutation to the spike protein. However, the variant and its effects are still under study, and scientists are trying to find out if it causes more severe disease. As with other variants, some infected person shows no symptoms, South African doctors have said. Omicron has triggered a global panic with 27 nations, European Union, the US and Canada and some other countries suspending air travel from Southern Africa. I hope you've enjoyed watching a short video on Omicron. For more such informative video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel.